Hey, what's going on, guys? Joe with omgrc.com. So I got a little comparison for you guys. Got the already got it out. I've already done my runs and everything like that. But I have the Saturn. This is the HPI motor that came out. It's a 12-turn 550 motor. So I had to reconnect, I had to solder up the wires because the connections weren't that great. I broke this in for a good 25 minutes in distilled water. Then after I've done the run, I went ahead and used the GoPro to see how fast this car would go. Show you guys that one here in a minute. And also I did a speed run with this is a new Titan as well. So this is a Traxxas one, not broken in, just straight out of the box more or less. Just threw it in there, see how fast it goes. And it's a 12 turn as well, 550. So what I'm running is the PowerHobby's 5200 milliamp 50C discharge 2S Lipo. Yep, did all that stuff. So let's go ahead and check that video out, and then we'll get to the very end there and let you guys know what all happened and give me your comments, what you think about it. Alright guys, so there you go. I don't really have to say too much other than I gave this one the benefit of the doubt, trying to get a little bit more RPMs out of it by breaking it in, using distilled water, oil in the bushings, putting better connections on there. As far as I did solder the connections, because the ground, not the ground, I keep saying that, is the negative wire, it came off. So I just went ahead, soldered them both up just to get a little bit better connection anyhow. Now on the Traxxas one, they're already soldered up anyhow, so no need to do any modifications on that one. But no oil on this one, just straight, well, this isn't the exact same one. The other one, the Traxxas motor that's in there, is this one right here. Same pinion gear, no changes on that. I left the cover off just because of the fact that this shaft on the motor is a little bit longer, so I actually can't put the cover on it anyways. So there you go. Hope you guys enjoy the video. But if you're gonna get one of these and you want a little bit more power out of it without going with a brushless, you know, check around, whatever. But there you go, 5 mile an hour difference. So if you're looking for just a little bit of extra speed bump, go with that Traxxas one. But until next time, catch you on the next video. Appreciate all you guys watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Check us out at omgrc.com. Sign up for our newsletter. And until next time, we'll catch you on the next video. You guys take care. Later.